Hello everyone, this is Shelly, and in today's video I'm going to review the Minimalist 100% Squalene oil. And initially, I had planned to share a routine with the products that I'm using currently from both Minimalist as well as from some of the Korean skincare brands, but then I thought sharing a product review before the skincare routine will make more sense. In the coming week I will definitely share my routine, and in case if you have not subscribed to my channel, please do that, because I have a lot of things to share related to Minimalist as well as with some new products that I'm testing out. So coming back to the topic of today's video, after I review this Minimalist Squalene oil, I'm gonna share my opinion, if I prefer this over the Ordinary and Inkilist. So stay tuned for that. So I don't know, from the time I've received this Minimalist Squalene oil bottle, it has been leaking a lot. Luckily when I received my bottle, inside the carton box there was not much of a leakage. Hardly, I think 1 or 2 ml must have been wasted. But yeah, this is a very leaky bottle, and there is no breakage or anything or misfitting of the cap with the bottle. Everything looks intact, but still there is a lot of leakage from near and around the cap. And in case if you are using this Minimalist Squalene oil, please let me know if your bottle is also leaking or not. And I bought this from Minimalist official website, not from Amazon, because some of you have been sharing your bad experience with Amazon, that some of you have received faulty products, some of you have received damaged product. Squalene oil can be obtained from many different sources. Traditionally it was sourced from shark liver, but from years it is no more practiced, because we have so many plant-based sources. Most common one include olive, and it is also sourced from the wheat bran, rice bran. So apart from these, squalene oil can also be sourced from yeast. Minimalist squalene oil is sourced from the olive, and I must say this is a really good quality squalene oil. When you are sourcing the squalene from the plants, it is originally obtained as squalene, but squalene is very much prone to damage when it comes in contact with the air and light. So in order to stabilize it, they hydrogenate it and convert it into squalene, and therefore it is more stable. So squalene is naturally found in our skin, and also the reason why squalene oil is easily accepted by our skin, as the squalene is the a first cousin of the squalene. So they are closely related, and our skin recognizes this oil, and there are very rare chances of anyone reacting to the squalene oil. So this is why the squalene oil is safe for all skin type, including sensitive, acne prone, and even fungal acne prone skin. So everyone can use squalene oil. So I'm sure I'm gonna get asked this one particular question, that is if there is any age limitation on using this squalene oil. Honestly, there is not. I feel everyone can use it. People with all age group can use it. People with all gender can use it. And there are many ways to use this squalene oil in your skincare routine. And the most conventional way is to use the squalene oil at the last step of your skincare routine. Say you cleanse your face, use the toner, serum, use your moisturizer, and if you're using any sleeping mask, use the sleeping mask, and then at last use this squalene oil. And this way is suitable for all skin types. And the other unconventional way, something which I follow for my dry skin and I feel is best suited for dry to very dry skin, is to use your squalene oil right after the serum and before the cream. That is, you cleanse your face, use your toner, use your serum, and use this squalene oil, and follow up with a moisturizer and then the sleeping mask. So this way I feel it works best for your dry skin, and it gets absorbed better into the dry skin. And the third way of using is adding 2-3 drops of the squalene oil to your moisturizer, mix them well, and apply it on your face. If you want to use this squalene oil in your morning skincare routine, make sure you're using it after the serum and before the moisturizer. You gonna clean your face, use the toner, use your serum, then use this squalene oil, use your moisturizer, and then follow up with your sunscreen. And this way of using ensures that your oil doesn't dilute your sunscreen. So make sure this you follow in the morning skincare routine. Night you can use it however you want, but for morning this is important. And finally, you can also use the squalene oil for your hair ends. So what I do at night is I take some 4-5 drops of this Squalene oil, warm it up between my hand and apply on the hair end, and this ensures that your hair ends remain soft and they don't get tangled a lot. So now I'm gonna share 5 amazing benefits of using Squalene oil in your skincare routine. Like some of them are very common, I'm sure you people must be knowing, and few of them like did surprise me, so let me share everything. So firstly, like since Squalene is an oil and it is like naturally found in our skin, of course it's gonna moisturize our skin really well. And secondly, the Squalene oil helps in improving the skin barrier. So in case like if you're going through really bad skin barrier days, use this Squalene oil along with your skin barrier cream. Oh my god, you're gonna see such fast results, so make sure you try this out. So this third benefit is something very unique and interesting, and I'm gonna talk about it in detail, but don't worry, I'm not gonna drag it a lot. I'm gonna keep things on point. So what happens is whenever bare skin is exposed to the UV radiation, the reactive oxygen in the environment, it attacks the oils in our skin, and not only on surface but also at the deep within the pores where this our natural oils are produced. So this entire process really messes up the composition of our skin natural oil, and this process is known as lipid peroxidation, and this lipid peroxidation is like one of the root cause for breakouts as well. So this is why all the dermatologists and all the knowledgeable people in the skincare community, they insist that we all wear sunscreen if we want to stay away from the breakouts. So I hope now you understand the importance of wearing sunscreen on a daily basis. So now coming back to the Squalene oil, the Squalene oil when used on skin, it reduces this UV damage and protects our skin from this lipid peroxidation. So all this explanation leads to the fourth benefit of using Squalene oil, that is Squalene oil will help in reducing the breakout. The fifth benefit of using Squalene oil in our skincare routine is getting the anti-aging benefit. And like if you didn't know, like as we age, especially around the age of 30, the Squalene in our skin, it depletes somehow and our skin fails to produce it, and therefore our skin looks more dry and dull with age. And this is why like using Squalene oil, it's important as we age. So make sure if you want to have that anti-aging benefit, start using the Squalene oil. Now I'm gonna share my opinion on this, and I have been using this minimalist Squalene oil from mid of the December and even till now, and honestly I have been loving it so much, and there are many reasons to love it. Firstly, it is extremely lightweight and it sinks into the skin really well without any stickiness, and it has not at all irritated my skin or gave any kind of acne. It is working really well on my skin, and the night I use it, next day I woke up to a super glowing skin, and my skin doesn't feel dry at all with this, and also like my skin feels a bit bouncy as well. Like it feels like I have done something nice to my skin. Yeah, if I have to compare this minimalist Squalene oil with the ordinary and the Inkey List one, I love this more than these two, and the reason is that this is much lighter than these two, and this has been sinking really well on my skin, and it has been giving much better result. Like if you have watched my old video, I did say that the ordinary one was comparatively bit thicker in consistency, and it took some extra time to sink into my skin, and the Inkey List one was definitely much better than the ordinary one, but it did take some few minutes like compared to this minimalist one. Most importantly, it gives such amazing glow, which I really didn't get that much glow with the Inkey List one. So yeah, this is definitely much better. And also, like if you're wondering whether the Squalene oil has any fragrance or not, Squalene oil by virtue is 100% fragrance free. It does not have any kind of fragrance, like not a bad one or a good one. It's completely neutral. And like I said, Squalene oil is suitable for all skin types. So if you are looking around for a lightweight and a very safe oil, definitely get this minimalist Squalene oil. And if you are outside India, I would suggest the Inkey List over the ordinary one. For some reason, ordinary products never work for me. I have been never happy with them. So that's all for today's video, and before I sign out of this video, I want to mention this, like if you are looking around for a video to learn how to layer the minimalist serum properly for your particular skin concern, you can watch my video over here. Like, I will include it somewhere at the top or in the description box below or towards the end of the video. Like, in the video I have given the general guideline, like what serum can be mixed with what and what are to be avoided. And so yeah, make sure you watch the video and then use this Squalene oil or the minimalist oat cream so that you are able to get most out of your skin routine. And yeah, so I will see you in my next video now. Bye for now.